how to share screen on Google Meet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can share screen on Google Meet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Google Meet on your laptop or PC and sign into your account, and you will be redirected to this page. After that, you have to click on this option where it says New Meeting. Then just click on your desired option. I will click on Start an Instant Meeting. After that, you will be redirected on this page. Over here, click on this option which is at the bottom center of the screen. Over here, you can select any of three options. In the first option, you can share Chrome tab. In the second option, you can share your window. And the third option is for sharing your entire screen. So that's how you can share screen on Google Meet. That's all for this video.